Okay, so I know I cannot be the only one who has white tile and white grout in your shower, and just no matter how much cleaning you do, you end up with these mold and mildew spots that seem to just never want to come out. So I want to thank Active for sending me their Seal and Grout Mold Stain Remover. So let's go test it out. Okay, so here is a close-up of some of the more problem areas that I have that we are going to try this on. So all you do is squirt this thick gel on the areas that you're trying to treat. So I'm gonna get it all in here really good. So as you can see, this gel is pretty thick. It does pretty much stay where you put it. It drips down just a little bit, but the end of this little tube makes it easy to get into all of those grout lines. Okay, so it's 5:42 on April 12th. We'll come back in a few hours and check this. It does say it has to sit 3 to 5 hours. All right, so you can see it is 10:46 still on Saturday, April 12th. So we are just right at 5 hours. And you can already see that this looks a lot better than it did, especially down here in this area. Now this gel is pretty hard. It does kind of set up and harden. So what we need to do now is take a rag and wipe it off and then rinse it clean. All right, and here is our final after our few test pieces. It looks a whole lot better already, especially this bottom part. I do believe with a second treatment on those hard areas, this shower is going to be perfectly clean and white again, and I do recommend.